everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. So first thing you're going to need to do is just go ahead and go to your Netflix application or website. It works the same, so once you're here just have to log into your account, and then once you're logged in just tap on this three dots in your browser and then tap on settings, this one. Then once you're here, just go to system and then make sure to disable this one, and then once done just relaunch. Now after that, go to your Discord and then go to the settings, this one, and then just look for voice and video, and then scroll down, and this one, hardware acceleration, you just have to enable this one. And once done, just tap on ESC. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected here, so just join any server and then share your screen. So as you can see, I'm gonna go back to Discord to see if there is black screen, and as you can see, there is no black screen while I'm sharing the Netflix. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!